Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 arrives as a carefully positioned upgrade in Xiaomi's commuter lineup, quietly appearing on the company's global website without the usual fanfare. Sitting neatly between the entry-level 6 Lite and the more premium 6 Max, this model feels designed for everyday urban riders who want more comfort and confidence without stepping into oversized or overly expensive territory. From the first look at the specifications, it's clear that Xiaomi focused on ride quality and real-world usability rather than chasing extreme numbers. At the heart of the Electric Scooter 6 is a noticeably stronger motor setup than its predecessor. With a continuous output rated at 400 watt and peak power reaching around 800 watt, the scooter delivers brisker acceleration and a more responsive feel in city traffic. The top speed is capped at 25 kilometers per hour, which aligns with license-free regulations in many regions, making it an easy fit for daily commuting. Multiple riding modes allow users to tailor the experience, whether creeping through crowded pedestrian zones, cruising efficiently in standard mode, or unlocking sharper throttle response in sport mode. Compared to the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 5, the performance upgrade is immediately apparent. The extra power translates into smoother starts from a standstill and greater confidence when riding on uneven pavement or slightly rougher surfaces. Xiaomi also claims the scooter can tackle inclines of up to 18%, which should be more than enough for most urban hills and overpasses. One of the most impactful changes comes from the wheels and suspension setup. The Electric Scooter 6 moves to large 12-inch tubeless tires, a substantial increase over the previous generation. Bigger tires naturally improve stability, absorb bumps more effectively, and offer better grip on imperfect road surfaces. Paired with front and rear spring suspension, the ride quality is significantly more forgiving, especially on cracked asphalt, cobblestones, or poorly maintained bike lanes. In terms of design, Xiaomi sticks close to its familiar aesthetic while adding subtle refinements. The kicktail-style rear deck gives the scooter a slightly sportier profile and offers a more secure stance during acceleration and braking. The folding mechanism remains practical and straightforward, making it easy to store the scooter at home, in the office, or take it onto public transport. Battery capacity is one area where the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 makes a trade-off. With a 360 watt-hour battery, the claimed range drops to around 45 kilometers compared to the longer range of some previous models. However, this reduction seems intentional, balancing weight, size, and performance. Xiaomi compensates with faster charging, which makes topping up the battery more convenient for daily use. Overall, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 comes across as a well-rounded and thoughtfully upgraded commuter scooter. It prioritizes comfort, stability, and usable power over headline-grabbing range figures, which makes sense for urban riders. While the lack of official pricing and a confirmed launch date leaves some questions unanswered, the feature set suggests a strong middle ground option that could become one of Xiaomi's most appealing scooters for everyday city travel once it becomes widely available. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this scooter? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.